What's up everyone, and welcome to the next video in this series. What this video is going to be about is a question that I got asked yesterday, and it's from a friend of mine who wanted to know about whether it was his clutch, his gearbox or his gear linkage which was preventing him from getting into reverse. So what I'm going to do now is going to go through mainly how to check a clutch, because gear linkages, if you can get it into all gears apart from one, then the chances are the gear linkages are going to be okay. Normally a gear linkage, because I have had an issue on my Fiesta where the gear linkages were a bit ropey, and if it would pop off, then your gear stick would sit funny in the car. You wouldn't be able to get it into gears and all that sort of stuff. So providing you can get it into all the other gears, then his linkages are probably okay. Gearbox, I am no gearbox mechanic. Gearboxes are really complicated pieces of equipment, and I would not even bullshit you and say I know what goes on in there, because I really don't. Although one thing I am aware of is sometimes if you're having issues with the gearbox, basically changing the oil, if you can, because some of them are sealed, can actually improve the function of it if you're having issues. Only sometimes. Like I said, I'm not a gearbox technician, so I don't understand why this sometimes works and not. So back to the clutch. Clutch is something that goes quite often in cars. Now, when I say quite often, it's quite a common thing to go wrong, but not in every car all the time. It's something that happens 2, maybe 3 times in a car's lifetime. It needs a new clutch, depending on how often you drive it. And how you know if your clutch is going bad, one is you're driving down the road, you want to accelerate, put your foot down, revs climb, but you don't go any faster. That is the surefire way of knowing that your clutch is on its way out. That is usually accompanied by a burning smell, and you can smell this all the time, especially if you got boy races around you and you drag it away from lights and you get that burning smell. Not like a rubber burning, it's like a different kind of burning smell. That is what a clutch smells like when it's burning. And a burning clutch isn't good. It's basically excessive wear. So if your clutch is on its way out and it's burning and slipping, then you're just wearing it out more. But you might not notice that depending on how you drive. If you drive really slowly, not slowly but carefully and gently, then you might not ever notice that. So how you can tell if your clutch is gone is you stop, put your handbrake on as hard as you can, put your car into second gear and see if you can slowly lift up your clutch. If it stalls, then it should be okay. If your car is running with your clutch up in second gear, then your clutch is knackered. Or if you can stop it from stalling with a little bit of accelerator, then again, your clutch is knackered and it'll need replacing. And that's basically all there is to it, really. So if you've enjoyed this video, then please remember, subscribe. I want everybody to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. So I'll catch you in the next video. See you later and goodbye.